Okay, Bammy. How do I do it again, Bammy?
Go lower.
Ah.
Now lower. Now low.
I got it. Oh, super kids! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah. Hey, super kids. Oh, I almost did the limbo. Bammy has been teaching me the ways of the jungle. Ever since I got my jungle mask, I'm so excited to show it to you, I could do a funky monkey dance. Howl with me, super kids. Whoop,
Woo, woo.
whoop.
Woo, 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 woo.
Ah, great howling. Let me show you my mask. My jungle mask is gone. I didn't have any glitter porridge for breakfast. Did you have glitter porridge for breakfast, super kids?
That's bandits fuel. It comes from Dr. Truble's bandit-bots.
So Dr. Trouble's bandit-bots took my jungle mask. You know what that means? It's BAM Venture time!
Woo, woo. This episode is Jungle Tunnel Fun Run. You will need rolled up socks and something to bat with like a walking stick or a bat. If you want your jungle mask back, you must find Dr. Truble in the jungle. But be careful, the bandit-bots love throwing rotten fruit.
The last time I faced a pile of rotten fruit alone was when Granny made me breakfast. Super kids, will you help me?
Yes, Coach Ryan.
If you're ready, say ready, spaghetti!
Ready, spaghetti.
Huh? Spaghetti? Like ready spaghetti? Super kids. Okay, super kids, now I'm gonna need you to stomp some magic right at my magic whistle. Oh, that's a nice one. Thanks, super kids. So on 3, we're gonna stomp. Ready? 1, 2, 3, stomp! Oh, nice stomp. But we're gonna need a little more magic, so you're gonna stomp hard. Get your knees up high like this. Ready? Stomp. Knees up. Stomp. 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 You did it, super kids. We're going to the jungle.
Keep it down. I'm watching the B.A.M Jams game, and it's a close one.
Oh, sorry, Granny. You did it, super kids. We're going to the jungle. Super kids, we're in an airplane. Oh, look down there. Oh, if we're gonna blend in with all those jungle animals, we better practice our quick movements. All clear. Let's warm up with some airplane sprints. But don't run too far, or the airplane might seesaw. Follow me, super kids. Nice one. Stay with me. Whoa. Let's go back to the other side. Great, keep it going. Few more. Whew. Whew. All right, I think that's enough airplane sprints for now. Whew. Trail snack. Whoa, looks like we're getting ready to land. Let's take a seat, super kids. Don't forget, buckle up. Whoa, awesome. Looks like somebody upped the imagination budget. Wow. Super kids, we did it. We're finally in the jungle. I need to keep my voice down. Dr. Trouble's nearby.
It's Troublé.
Let's go. Glitter porridge.
It's not glitter porridge.
It's not? Of course, bandit-bot fuel. And I bet that's where they've hidden my jungle mask.
Hey, Coach Ryan, do you need a hand?
Oh, hey Ronnie. What are you doing here in the jungle?
I brought you this.
Thanks Ronnie, but my 80th birthday isn't for like, 2016. Oh, it's for Granny?
It's for you, Coach Ryan, to hit the rotten fruit.
Rotten fruit? Whoa!
Kids, get ready to
Clear the
space.
Are you ready? Be safe and clear the space. Put a smile on that silly face. Crawling, ducking, jump and run. Let's get ready to have some fun. Come on and do it with me. Let's try not to break the TV. Pick yourself up off the floor. It's a fantastic time to explore.
Remember how a baseball batter does it?
2 hands close together and eyes on the ball. Whoop. I mean, rotten fruit. Here comes one. Oh, like that. Do it with me, super kids. Get your walking stick or baseball bat or even a broomstick. Whatever you have. The bandit-bots are coming. Swing. Nice, again. We're doing it, super kids. Remember, hands together, eye on the fruit sock ball until it gets all the way in front of you, and nice one. Whoa. I wish I had my jungle mask to protect my face. One more, here it comes. We did it, super kids! Awesome! Whew. All right, now let's go home and cuddle under a blanket and take a nap. Super kids.
We're not finished, Coach Ryan.
What do you mean we're not finished? Oh, that's right, we still haven't found my jungle mask. Let's go get it. There's my jungle mask. A chip alarm. When it comes down to the crunch, Dr. Truble is so sneaky. I can't go that way. I'll slip on all those banana peels. Now how am I gonna get my mask? It's Droney! Great timing, Droney! What do you got for us, buddy? Oh. Thanks, Droney. Look, super kids, it's a map of the temple. Oh, there's my mask. And here's where we are now.
Run from first to second, then third, you see. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Don't get touched on your way to base. Get there quick and you'll be safe.
Droney baloney with your cryptic messages. What do you think, super kids? Will you do some thinking jumping jacks with me? We can move our bodies to activate our minds.
Stand up tall, make like a wall. Hands up, feet apart, spin around and back to the start. Stand up tall, make like a wall. Hands up, feet apart, spin around and back to the start. Let's get our brains smart. We'll move till we feel our hearts. Make your hands clap, way up high. Now back down and by your side. Feet together, feet apart. Now my mind is getting smart. Clap up, close up, clap up, close up. How many can you do? Clap up, close up, clap up, close up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's time to think and move and think and move. It's time to think and move and think and move. Wake your body, wake your mind. Now let's go and have a good time.
Mind reactivated. Now, what do you think Droney's clue means?
Run to second base!
That's brilliant! Yikes. Here goes nothing. Whoa. We did it, Super Kids. We're at second base. Now, just one more. Whoa, sickle hands. What do we do now?
Don't get touched!
Nailed it. The jungle mask. Thanks for keeping it clean, Mr. Stuffles. Well, sort of. Super Kids, now that we have our jungle mask, all we have to do now is go home. Wait, but how?
Home run!
Honey buns?
No, home run!
Oh, right, home runs. But, do you have any honey buns? Because, some honey buns. I like the kind with a little bit of chocolate and then, wait. Home run. There was a picture of a home on the map. That means we need to go through that tunnel. Super Kids, run from the bandit-bots. It's our final challenge. Quick, run into this tunnel. Oh, watch out! In here. Now this one. Gotta find home plate. I missed that small tunnel.
Slide in there!
Stinky temple laundry room. Bandit-bot, B.O.
No! It's my laboratory. If I was expecting company, I would have picked up a bit. Welcome. Now get out.
Dr. Trouble, why did you steal my jungle mask?
I need something to protect my face while I make the glitter porridge for my bandit-bots.
Well, you shouldn't steal. You know, you could have asked. Hey, can I try some of that glitter porridge?
Coach Ryan, please leave my laboratory.
But how? I need to find home plate.
You're wearing it.
Home plate is my jungle mask?
Obviously. Just put it on, stomp your feet, and you'll get back home.
Thanks, Dr. Trouble. Maybe you're not all that bad. Oh. Are you guys ready to head home? Stomp your feet for me one last time. Super Kids, you know, if Dr. Trouble really needed a mask, she could have borrowed mine. All she had to do was ask nicely for it. But since she was so thoughtful helping us get home, we're gonna send her this one. We just need a stamp for this bad boy. I'm gonna send this one by Monkey Mail. Whoop, 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 whoop. Much faster. Woo! I just have one thing left to do. Can you guess what it is?
Celebration time!
That's right.
Why don't you use the tunnel slide from today?
That's right. Did it, Super Kids. We...
Not so fast.
Granny?
Easy peasy.
Granny. Super Kids, you were so good with your batting and base running today. You even taught me how to slide. Way to go!
And Super Kids, you earned a baseball badge!
What? Home run! And hey, Ronnie, looking good. And Bammy, I meant to mention, did you get a new headband or something? I'll see you next time, Super Kids. But until then, remember, be brave, be kind, and exercise your body and mind. Be brave, be kind.